Quick review, this Schwinn 230. Got it about a year ago. Well, first of all, I have to make a little extra cushion for the seat. I'm going to show you the seat in a minute. I notice when I'm riding, I'm slipping out of the seat a lot because it's so slippery, you know. But I have the same problem as the gym, so I don't know. This bike was probably about $200-$300 for it. I have sensors on the armrest here to hold on. Feels pretty good. You can adjust it on the side. Put it back up. Got speakers on it. Little piece just popped off. Part of the sensor. Oh, the cup holder. Right. Oh. See, I was talking about the seat is slippery. Got speakers you can plug your phone into. Great. These are sensors. You got a cup holder. I don't know, it's built pretty decent. Like I said, you know, I go to the gym. I ride and I have the same problem at the gym. We're slipping out of the seat, so I figure a little extra cushion, put it in there. You have some cushion on there. It works pretty good. It's comfortable. I mean, I guess for $200, it's not bad. $200-$300 is not bad. I mean, I guarantee you they pay a lot more than that for a bike like that at the gym. So that was what, the Schwinn 230. I don't know. They might have different brands in it right now. I picked them up at Walmart, so they usually change their product every so often. Okay, that's just a quick review of this bike.